How to change name on Facebook Lite. Welcome to today's video. On today's episode, I'll be showing you steps on how to change your name on the Facebook Lite application. Alright, first of all, open the Facebook Lite app and ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the name. Then go to the menu, click on the menu bar, which is the three horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Under Account, click on Personal and Account Information. You will be provided with several options: the name, email address, and phone number. Click on Name. Then in the name, you are given three fields. The first field is for you to enter your first name. The second field is to enter the middle name. And the third field is to enter your surname. Once you've done this, make sure your name adheres to Facebook standard. Facebook does not support symbols, numbers, unusual characterization, repeated characters, or punctuation. And also remember that you cannot change your name again for 60 days, so ensure you choose your name wisely. Once you've done this, click on Review Change. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your Facebook password again to ensure you are the one taking these actions. After you have entered your password, click on Save Changes, and this way your name has been changed on the Facebook Lite app. I hope you find this video helpful. Do well to like, share and subscribe for more useful videos. See you in the next video.